So this next song is about when I got punched in the face by a stranger. To the man that punched me in the face yesterday on New Year's Day, I wonder what was done to you, encouraging you to do something so hateful and mean to a stranger running on the street. Is this how you become a man? Proving to others that you can win a fight and dominate. Punch a stranger in the face, chase them down and beat them up. Tell me, does this fill your cup? Well, joke's on you, sorry to say. You picked the wrong autistic gay. I'm sorry I couldn't make your day, 'cause I'm a quick bitch and I got away. I am coyly sharing my side of the story, and if people want the truth, they'll have to look deeper in you. Consider your pain, your past, and what took you down this path. Surely the blame's not yours alone. Who knows what's going on at home? It's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. And to the man who called me a fucking fag at Christmas time a few years back in the holiday aisle in Walmart, aren't you quite clever and smart? In my faux fur coat and platform shoes, I chose to see the human in you. Getting gay bashed kind of sucks. Did you think it would fill you up? Maybe make you feel more in control of a life that's not real meaningful. In a corporate suit with bratty kids, as your dreams die and you flip your lid. But you can't overpower me, 'cause I like myself and I am free from putting others down to lift me up, even when they kind of suck. But I am coyly sharing my side of the story, and if people want the truth, they'll have to look deeper in you. Consider your pain, your past, and what took you down this path. Surely the blame's not yours alone. Who knows what's going on at home? It's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. All that we can do is love ourselves and love others too, even when it's hard. Life feels best when you open up your heart. But I am coyly sharing my side of the story, and if people want the truth, they'll have to look deeper in you. Consider your pain, your past, and what took you down this path. Surely the blame's not yours alone. Who knows what's going on at home? It's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. To the person looking back at me from the looking glass, I can see your hurt, shame, and anger boil up. Don't keep it inside, bottled up. You've got to let it out through art, through work, through what you care about. 'Cause a body and mind with freedom cannot harbor demons. This may sound far-fetched or idealistic, and honestly, I'm not really sure if this is how we make this world a better place. It's just what I feel may help today. And if nothing else, being kind to others makes me kinder to myself. I can't stop the world's hurt and pain, but I can spread love and light just the same.
Yeah. Right.
This is coily, only my side of the story. And if people want the truth, we have a lot of work to do to look at our pain, our past, and what brought us down these paths. Stop blaming others for our pain. Healing hurts, it's all the same, and it's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. So that song is called It's Complicated, not to be confused with Avril Lavigne's Complicated. There's an it's before complicated. And if you're interested in listening to my music more, you can get it right here, right now, because it's not really on any platforms or anything. So yeah, enjoy it. Okay, this next song, is about having a ghost.
Woo!
There's a ghost living in my house. Footsteps falling. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna try that one again.
Woo!
There's a ghost living in my house. Footsteps falling, phantom sounds. Late at night, early in the morning. Could this be a warning? From the other side, from the other side. My friends say it's no big deal. My therapist says it's not real. But the writing is on the walls and the windows and floors and up and down the halls. Slamming doors, rocking chairs, rocking. I swear that I closed all those drawers. What's this about? Does this poltergeist want to get out of my house? Or do they want me out? Called the priest, called the rabbi and healer, and asked all of them what they think. And they said, these voices and noises are living inside of my head. Could it be? And the host and the ghost is living inside of me. That sounds worse, like a hex, a spell, or an ancient curse. From the other side, from the other side. but I'm tired of losing sleep. I've tried counting fucking sheep, and there's a ghost I don't know, and it's living inside of me. No relief, a chill in the air wraps its arms like a scarf around me. I give up, I'm tired, angry, and I don't give a fuck. It's just my love. There's a ghost living in my house. Footsteps falling, phantom sound. Late at night, early in the morning. Could this be a warning from the other side? From the other side? From the other side? From the other side? From the other side. Thank you. That was Poltergeist. Yeah, and my last tune on the piano. I have like 2 more songs for y'all. This next one is a crowd favorite. And it is a song that is based on a true story, believe it or not. This is Rocky the Raccoon. Eating out of the trash isn't so bad. Sometimes you score real good, like some bread in a bag. And you don't have to share with anyone because you're all alone, having fun. I saw some strangers, they were having a fire, so I waddled in to stay for a while. But they shine their lights and shooed me away, so I hit the road and made my way. I'm Rocky the Raccoon. Got opposable thumbs and a cute little nose, and people revere me wherever I go. I'm Rocky the Raccoon. Got opposable thumbs and a cute little nose, and people revere me wherever I go. And so I wait till they're asleep when the fire's still hot, and I don't make a peep. I warm my fur and close my eyes. I dream of hot Cheetos, cake and french fries. And when I awake, to my surprise, there's another raccoon in front of my eyes. He broke into their food and made a mess. He ate their bagels and bread and ran off with the rest. And now they're gonna think it was me because I was the one that made them freak. But I would never lie or steal just to get my next meal. As the sun comes up, I watch from the trees, and the dude in his underwear gets up to pee. He notices the mess with a look on his face, and I can't help but feel a little disgraced. I promise it's not all of our kind. I think with my own brain, my own mind. not all raccoons are the same. We each have our own names. And I am Rocky the raccoon. Got opposable thumbs and a cute little nose, and people revere me wherever I go. I'm Rocky the raccoon. Got opposable thumbs and a cute little nose, and people revere me wherever I go. Another day has passed me by, and I bid those confused humans goodbye. Even though they weren't nice to me, I hope they get what they need. But that's life, isn't it? You get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. Even when I try to be respectful, I'm treated like an animal. And I'm Rocky the raccoon. Got opposable thumbs and a cute little nose, and people revere me wherever I go. I'm Rocky the motherfucking raccoon. Got opposable thumbs and a cute little nose, and people revere me wherever I go. Thank you. Yeah, so that's based on a true story about a real raccoon mix-up. It was craziness. Okay.
He loves it.
I'm gonna play one more song. And before I play that song though, I